Got a new toy. And no, it's not what you think. I've been wanting this for a while. Just never went around to getting it, so. Just a quick unboxing. You guys all know the goodies, little toys, backstrap tools, and accessories, blah, blah, blah. Quick handbook, guides, and whatnot. Nobody cares about. We'll read that later. Locking, 15 round mag, and what it is. Now let's pull it out here. Boom. Canik, Mete, mc9. No, it's not the Prime. That will come later. I want to really try this gun out. I shot it at the range. I put it like 80 rounds through it. Not this one. The one at the range. But I absolutely loved it for some reason. I loved the way it fit in the hand. I absolutely loved the trigger. The way it shot. It was accurate. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get this. And I'm going to try it out. We're going to put hopefully 500 rounds this weekend. We're going to take it to the range and go crazy. Well, it's Easter weekend, maybe after that. But we're going to put about 500 rounds. And if I have no problems, I'm going to deep clean it. Put an optic. Maybe let's do a light. I'm going to order a nice holster for it. And go from there. This will probably be my new daily carry for the summertime. So stay tuned. We're gonna run this, have some fun with it, give you my honest reviews on this one, even though this has been around a little bit, but you know, there's been some ups and downs they've had on this online with this gun, but I think when I shot this at the range, I mean, I absolutely loved it. So we're gonna try this out. This we're not gonna use, it's nice, it came with it, whatever. But so this is what comes with it. We're gonna check it out, give an honest review. Let you guys know. And yes, the Prime is on our order also, so we have to try that one. So, all right, everybody, stay tuned. See you soon.